What you making today?
You caught me off guard. We're dropping beets. We're dropping them beets today. We making beets. This one's pretty much for all the vegetarian, the vegans, the other-ins. Who want to like enjoy Hawaiian food but can't really eat, the fish or the pork or whatever else there is. We're making beet poke. Let's finish washing these dishes real quick and then we'll get into this beet poke. Ready? Give me a kiss. To make beet poke, we're gonna need beets, shoyu soy sauce, sesame oil, Hawaiian salt, green onions, red onions, a little water, furikake, brown sugar, and rice vinegar. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, cut off the tips of 3 beets, put it in a roasting pan with a 1/4 cup of water, cover it with aluminum foil, and cook it in the oven until it's nice and soft that a knife can go through it. Okay, Beets by Carly-Ann. So this beet poke doesn't have to just stop at beets. It really comes down to texture. Poke to me is a lot of texture as much as it is flavor. You can kind of play with that texture with the beets itself, from cooking it longer, making it a little softer, to cooking it a little less to have more of a crunch to it. And it, again, doesn't have to just be beets. It can be tofu. Tofu has soft, medium firm, super mega firm, super soft, not so soft, watery, silken tofu. You know what I mean? Like, there's a ton of tofu out there. You can also use tempeh. I haven't been searching super hard on tempeh, but I know it's available around here in the Bay Area. There's just so many things that you can do texturally and even flavorly to like really make your poke unique, or fit your dietary needs or your choices, or whatever. If you're vegan, vegetarian, or any end, this is all good for you. And hopefully you're all experimenting with different kinds of poke, and hope you guys share your guys' recipe down below in the comments, or not recipe, just let us know what you substitute beet poke with, So yeah, let's get back to the kitchen. When the beets are done, you're going to go ahead and peel it with the back of your knife or a peeler. We prefer this way of handling beets, but if you have your own way, that's fine. Don't forget to wear gloves on this next step though, because now it's time to dice these beets, about a medium dice. Then you're going to take about 2 tablespoons or more of green onions and give it a chop diagonally. And you're going to take a 1/4 cup of red onions and cut that in slices, nice and thin. For the poke sauce, we're going to combine 2 tablespoons of shoyu soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Add the sauce to your beet mixture, give it a healthy pinch of Hawaiian salt, then give everything a good mix, and there you have it. That's beet poke. I really hope you enjoy this. Give us a subscribe, hit the like button, do the notification thing, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.